Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Saturday, May 9th. Disney Adventure was forced to cancel a sailing from Singapore after passengers already boarded the ship.
But we will, unfortunately, be cancelling the remainder of this experience.
That was the ship's captain announcing the cancellation. Disney Cruise Line says a mechanical issue impacted the ship's propulsion system and it could not be repaired in time for the 4-night voyage, which was scheduled to depart on May 7th. Now, guests had already boarded the ship before the cancellation was announced yesterday afternoon. One passenger who emailed our tip line said that their family flew more than 9,500 miles from New York to Singapore and were, quote, disappointed, but were trying to make the best of the situation, unquote, they told me. Disney says affected guests will receive a refund, 50% discount on a future sailing, a comp hotel night, stateroom incidentals, and flight changes. The May 11th sailing is scheduled to sail as planned. And 115 passengers and crew members are sick aboard the Caribbean Princess after the CDC confirmed a norovirus outbreak on the 13-night Southern Caribbean voyage. The outbreak was reported to the CDC after 102 of the ship's 3,100 passengers fell ill. That was crossing the mandatory 3% reporting threshold. 13 crew members also reported symptoms. Now, Princess Cruises has activated its outbreak prevention plan, which involves increasing cleaning of high-touch surfaces and isolating sick guests and crew. The ship is scheduled to return to Port Canaveral on May 11th. And Carnival Cruise Line's reservation system went offline Friday for planned maintenance, temporarily preventing guests from booking cruises or managing existing reservations. Now, the outage began around 9 p.m. last night, so Friday night, and is scheduled to last until about 3 p.m. Eastern today. During the downtime, guests cannot log into their accounts, complete online check-in, modify bookings, or purchase add-ons like shore excursions or specialty dining. However, you still are able to opt in for those terms and conditions for the new Carnival Rewards program, so don't forget to do that. The cruise line says the maintenance is planned and expects a full system to be restored by this afternoon. And cruise stocks were down Friday. Carnival Corporation down 2%, 26.38. Royal down the same, 275.24. Norwegian down 1%, 17.08. And Viking down 2, 82.67. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net here in Manila in the Philippines. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Saturday.